YouTube. So in this video we're going to be replacing the windshield wipers on this 2015 Chevy Trax, and the reason why we're replacing the windshield wipers is because they're just a little bit worn out. This set of windshield wipers has about I think 70,000 miles on them, so they're factory. This is the one that's really a mess. You can see down here that's just hanging, but yeah, we got a new set of windshield wipers from Arrow, which is a brand that we got off Amazon, and they're also a pretty well respected brand. So let's go ahead and take a look at that package and see what we got here. So this is the package we got from them. So let's go ahead and just cut on into this and see what we got here. So the reason why I went with this brand is because they had some of the best ratings on Amazon. This is the multi-function set of windshield wipers, because they have different adapters for different vehicles. So this one is made specifically for the Trax. You can see here that it has the correct adapter here. So it has a little push button on there, and it's already snapped in together. All you had to do is just contact them and tell them what you have, because I first ordered the J-hook ones. Obviously they're not correct, so they went ahead and sent me these ones that were the correct ones. So this looks like good quality. This is a 26-inch and this is a 14-inch blade. So what we're going to do is go take the old ones off, and we'll put these new ones on. So to remove the old ones, that we'll do the passenger side first. You don't want to raise it up too high because you can hit the wiper arm on the hood. So we're just going to push this little button right here in and pull out, and then push it in one more time while pulling out again, and you can release it all the way. So now this wiper is fully off. This is, again, why we replace it. And then let's go grab the new wiper and let's put that one on there. Let's take a quick look as well. So very similar in style and design, so I really like that. That way we have a nice OEM look without paying the OEM price. Set that off to the side. Take off the guard, set it off to the side, and all you do is just lift this up and slide the new one in. There we go. One side is done, and let's go ahead and do the driver's side now. So same exact way here. Lift up, push in, pull this out. You usually have to like push it in twice, which is weird. There we go, there's the old one. Grab the new one. Take the protective film off here. And then just go ahead and lift this up a little bit. Slide the new one in. So there you go. The new wiper blades are now installed, and won't have any more issues in the rain. So if this video helped you, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Also like this video and check out my other ones. And let me know what kind of wiper blades you guys are purchasing and how much you guys are paying for them down in the comments section. Again, these are the Arrows, so I would definitely check those out. I purchased them on Amazon for about 20 bucks. Thanks for watching.